Hey, YouTube friends and family. I have a Dollar Tree haul for you today. We still creep into the Dollar Tree to see what they have. And I'm able to find a lot of these things that people are saying, oh, wow, they have this now. Wow, they have this now. You think you can't find them, but yes, you can too find the things that you want and need from the Dollar Tree. They are resetting these stores, restocking them. Apparently, it's like a manufacturer's rent a space sort of thing, and they charge what they want, up to $7. So, yeah, some of these things are changing, but I'm still able to find some decent, make sense sort of deals at the Dollar Tree. Like these. And as you can see, one is gone. We sit these hauls down and then we have to dip into them because it's time. These are worth it. They are tasty. They are not they are still detrimental. It's 33 carbs and 1,470 milligrams of sodium. But in a crunch, in a I don't have nothing else sort of situation, these are good. And this is the Twisted Noodle brand or whatever. It says Twisted Noodle Soup. And it does come with a little pack of vegetables in it. So I like to grab these. They don't have them all the time, but they had them this time. And I went on and grabbed a couple. Now, my cameraman, if you check out my Sam's haul, he likes the breakfast ones. He has never eaten noodles in his life. I couldn't coax him. I couldn't try to give him any. But he tasted the breakfast and asked me to buy more. We went through 1 6-pack. I gave away one. I ate 2. He ate 3 of them, I believe. And asked me to buy more. They're $5.98 at Sam's Club. So that's one of the things less than a Dollar Tree. So it's better to buy those from Sam's Club if you want to try them. I thought they were okay in a crunch. I mean, I wouldn't eat that stuff all the time with 1,400 and something milligrams of sodium. That's not something you want to do often. But in a crunch, quick, I got to get something in me. Okay. So these, I don't know if you've seen these, but the first time I saw them, they were all sticky and nasty, so I did not get them. But this time, the containers were not sticky and nasty. This is so natural coconut water with passion fruit juice and mango juice. This is very good for the summer, good for hydration, a good drink to have. Oh my goodness. I was so happy to find these. I'm sure they retail for so much more somewhere else. The ingredients are not bad. They have water, coconut water, not salt. They do have sugar, mango juice from concentrate, coconut water from concentrate, natural mango flavor, citric acid, sodium citrate, salt, potassium phosphate. Not horrible, good for hydration. I bought these. So, next bag. I needed sanitizer at the moment in the car, so I bought one, and I'm going to put both of them in the car. These. So, last ones I bought were March. I was in March, and they expired in March. I bought four of them, or 3 of them, or 2 of them. I don't know. However many I bought, we have eaten, in a crunch. These work for quesadillas. In a crunch. With some cheese, the tortillas, quesadillas, they taste pretty decent. When I make them. Cameraman can't perfect the art. So I have to make them for him. But I bought 2 more of these and we've used 1. Because he was the only one eating, and that was like just enough for him. So look, hey, we do what we must around here. And then this is a new product. I can't hold the bag and show y'all. This is a new product. And it's from, it says Tree-Boo. Tree-Boo. So sweet and salty peanut crunchy granola. I'm cleansing and detoxing, so I can't taste this one, but I did taste this one. They are okay. They don't have as much junk as them as an average Dollar Tree item would. And it says 6 bars, but the 6 bars are 2 a pack. It's 2 in here. So they give you 3 packs with 2 bars each, and they are decent. They are decent. Not something to write home about, not something I'm going to be, running in there for every week, but, and see, even this one, there's not a whole heap of ingredients. No high fructose corn syrup, no artificial flavor colors, and whole grain oats. So I think this will be better, even though I didn't taste it. And it's on, as you can see, it's only 3 bars in here. And if you want to see the size, I'll go ahead and show you. But again, I didn't taste them. So that's the size of the bar. Can't be used in gift baskets, I guess it says, unless you're using the whole box. So, because those are unlabeled. But the Kobe kombucha, strawberry lemonade. It's cold. So these are there. And the prime drinks are still there for $1.25. This is a new flavor. It's lemon lime prime. And this is a hydration drink. Apparently people like it. So I say I'll give one a try after I'm done detoxing good. And I have never tried the crab meat. The chicken of the sea imitation crab meat. I just wanted to show y'all. But I did see Dollar Tree dinners use it for something. And she said it was decent. So I bought it. I'm going to put it in the pantry. I might want a little snack and have that on a cracker or something. We'll see. So I didn't mind. I found these. Yes, I did. I got the basil sage thyme. This is the ones that the store I was in had. This ain't my regular store. I was all the way across town, but I was in the city. I was at the Bay Meadow store in Jacksonville. But they had basil, sage, and thyme, and the chili and cumin chili. So I bought 2 of each. Now, Father's Day is coming. If you have a father or a guy you want to give a gift to that, that you want to give a gift to that loves to barbecue, this would make a great gift in a basket. So, a Father's Day basket. You can add this. They have a whole section with barbecue tools. You can add some of that. I also have a short. I will link it. If you are local in Jacksonville, Habitat for Humanity store has a case. I'm going to link the video so you can go take a look at it. I thought it was a poker case, but it's a metal case that you open up. It's brand new. They are $10, and it has the barbecue essentials. It's $10, but on Thursday, you get 20% off. So that on Thursday, they're $8. That with some charcoal, with a couple of towels, that would be, dish towels that say barbecue from the Dollar Tree or something like that. That would be the perfect Father's Day basket. So I'm probably not going to make one for you. I don't know. Probably not. Okay, I did that bag. But I am going to make another kind of basket. Well, I got the teacups, and then I got another kind of basket. I'm actually going to do those this weekend, hopefully. At least one of them this weekend. So, this is a cute watering can, and it's going in a project. You can do a little garden watering can with the garden tools, some seeds, some things like that in it. But that's not what I'm doing. I'm just giving ideas here. That could be a great Mother's Day gift. They had this. So you put 2 batteries in here and it's a fan. So you got any theme parks you're going to this summer? Inside the theme park, this is $20. Probably, I'll say 12 to 15 inside a theme park. It's $1.25 at the Dollar Tree. Put that wind on your face. So I got that. These little tools. So they actually have the set. So I'll do it a little different. They actually have the set so you could color coordinate your little basket. So we got in this color, the little pruners, my bad. We got garden gloves. Boom, boom. They also had the gray garden gloves if you want to do a different color scheme, because they had different colors in these too. And then, of course, you got these, which we always haul, but they're cheaper at Dollar General in a 6-pack for $6 if they still have them. But you can throw that in there. That's garden related. Boom, boom. I mean, you can make this into a basket. A little gift for Mother's Day. And then I also have three tools. So, oh, no, I bought extra. You got this in that color. That can go in. The sprayer. You got this. So they got the whole color scheme of tools in that color. So you got the big and the little. And if you saw my other haul, you know I already bought the gray, the 2 items in gray. So you got all those in the little dark blue-green. That can go inside, and it all matches. I love that it all matches. And then you got this in gray. So I had the gray set, and I got the navy blue set. And I might do a giveaway, so you need to subscribe, ring the bell. I may do a giveaway for the continental U.S. only. So, woo! 2-pack. This is in the barbecue section. 2-pack of bamboo skewers. And there are 12 in here, so you got 24. Am I going to skewer some meat on these? Nope. Do I have flowers that need to stand up? Yep. I have snapdragons out there and things like that. That's kind of, ooh. This is not as prominent. This is natural. The flowers, this what, 3 feet long almost, well 2.5. So most flowers 2 to 3 feet tall. And they already had them clips. I already got my little clips to support my flowers that are leaning. So you got to catch them before they really get to leaning. But I was like, sign me up, 24 flower props. You can use them on your tomatoes. You can use them on anything. And they had a little spiky tip at the end. So, garden. We have Taco Tuesday over here. I did get the taco stand. So you can put 2 or you can put 3 taco stand. And it's 2 in the pack. Perfect size for my family. I hate the color, but it was there. I got it. Here's the evidence of shrinkflation. The alkaline waters used to be a 6-pack. Now they're 4. So yeah, we gonna keep it $1.25, but we only giving you 4 instead of 6. That's what's happening at our good old Dollar Tree. Now I bought it 1 bag, so let's take that bag out. So you'll see what all of this is about when I do the video or the short. I don't know how I'm going to present it, but most likely it'll be a short. When I do gift baskets, I do them in shorts because they get more views that way. But I found them. Yes. So I bought 2 to kind of, because it's the only, they had this in pink. They only had the 3 colors, but it's also like a white, clear one or whatever, or white. And I want to say it's one more other color, but this is all they had at that store. And I was like, let me grab mine. Let me get mine. Okay. So I did get 2 of these. And I spent $29 on one haul and about $20 on the other haul. So that was almost a $50 haul. And I'm still looking like, what did I get? Well, I did get 4 bags of the charcoal things. So, yeah, the flavor boosters. So, and these are not charcoals. I just read that. You start your grill, add your flavor boosters to your charcoal, and enjoy the flavor. So you don't even really use a whole bag in here. So do keep that in mind. You still have to use charcoal with this. So that is all for those hauls. I hope you enjoyed them. I hope you got some good ideas for Mother's Day. If you got a gardening person that you want to gift for Mother's Day, or your mother gardens, that is a great little setup. You can also, even if you don't use this, you can also use those $5 bags if you had the opportunity to grab one of those. They had $5 garden totes. I bought those a few months ago. I'll link the video above. But they may still be in some stores because y'all know y'all ain't with that $5 stuff. So it could sit there a little while. But yeah, I got the $5 totes. You can color coordinate, but I'll show you. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hit a like if you like this video. Let me know below some things on your wish list for Dollar Tree that you did not find. Let me know below. Because now they have a little Sesame Street makeup, but we don't do makeup, and I don't think I'm even bringing it home, child. But let me know below what you're looking for and you seem to cannot find. I'm still looking for the kitchen stuff, like the little turntables and I don't think I'm even getting sink strainers, but like the turntables, the Lazy Susans. Stuff like that. I'm like, okay, I'll be on the lookout. I'm not going to break my neck, but I'm going to be on the lookout. But anything new here that you haven't seen, because I kind of want to keep my hauls relevant. Did you get any great ideas? Go ahead and let me know in the comment below. Again, I do thank you for watching this video and supporting my channel. And as always, plant a seed, plant a seed, plant a seed. I love you to life. You have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye-bye.